Again, we're going to start the group category from 4 to 6. First up, we're going to invite Group 1, KRS. Judges, you may give your comment.
Hi KRS, congratulations, come to the final. Alright, the choreography is, they have a certain step, is still, same with the previous choreography, but I saw majority about 90% is a new one. That I'm very surprised in a short period you could choreograph another new piece of dance. Right? I love it so much, alright, because you really put an effort on it. And secondly, may I know why wearing the mask? Is it we all too much complain of the facial expression, not smile. That's why you use the mask to cover yourself. Yeah.
The reason we put our mask on is because we want to be judged as a group, not an individual. So we work and we dance as a group, as a team. Yeah, do it as a team.
Thank you. And come to the costume. I found out they have a black jeans, black khakis, and light brown khakis, and blue jeans. Why is not united? May I get your feedback, please? You said that you work in a team.
So we had an activity of getting everyone to wear the same color jeans in such a short period of time. So we just said, okay, if you can't get it, the darkest color you can get. So these are the darkest colors.
Okay, good. So this is a substitute. Alright. Okay, you did it well. I love the new choreography in a short time. Thank you.
Hi KRS。嗨。刚才你们说你们戴 mask 是因为要看到你们是一个 team 啊。那么我问你们那么如果你们不戴 mask， 是不是一个 team 呢？那个不是最好的 reason。OK， 当你们戴 mask 出来，给我感觉就是一定会有东西看，或者是 surprise。For example, let's say 你要 choreograph 这个，如果你是戴 mask 来讲，你一定是 choreography more on your mask movement。Let's say 你们戴那个手套，你们做很多手的 movement，right 啊 ？Yeah, then how about the mask? Okay, let's say for example let's say you can group it into a center in the group and then moving on the neck forward or whatever. That is more on mask. No, I don't understand why you wear mask is nothing. You get what I mean? I know you try to give me the reason to say that we are a team because you wear your mask. That's why I'm asking you. If you don't want to wear your mask, then how? You are not a team. Is it? Okay. Quite okay. I quite like the middle part to the ending that quite strong. Everything is very nice actually, but the front one is like 就是差了一点点，可能你们要很赶那个时间去 try to 去换新一点的东西给我们。其实如果我 prefer 你做回上 I mean Tuesday 的那个，把它做更好的那一个，我觉得会比较好。因为你们只有1天的时间，我知道你们要 try to 做更好的东西给我们看。不过如果是我会 prefer 你们做回 Tuesday 的那一个 ，but make it nice more than Tuesday and clear。明白吗 ？OK， 好，谢谢。
Alright, KRS Group, congratulations coming back to the finals. Okay, what I like about your group, 我很喜欢是你们 you are the only group that take some time to think how to do a proper starting. 就是说你会用灯 the way you come out. That's good, surprising because a lot of group that we see come out like that, pose, dance. But you guys know how to play something different, which is a good point there. Okay, but 你的 starting impression 很好 but 你跳时候 the starting part of your choreo, always remember whatever you do, starting part of the choreo must be strong, or else judges' impression will just drop. Unfortunately, 你们的 starting part 是不是 the biggest problem is the synchronization of the hand. Whoever standing in front, you are supposed to be the most strongest and powerful one. Careful, you have to be correct, you have to be synchronized, so that the one at the back they can follow. Apparently, the one at the back are better than the front for the starting. Careful with this one, okay? This is the one, if you're dancing as a group, 是这个东西. Now, regarding your mask, it's good, I like it. I mean, 不是很 boring. You have mask, you have glove, okay, it's good. But coming back to your comment, 你是讲 you dance as a group because of the mask. Well, the first thing 我一听到这个是不是 可能你要讲 everybody face the same, so it's a group. Because or maybe you want to cover your facial expression. It's not your strongest point. Okay, fine, wear a mask, no problem. But do you know that when you wear a mask, I cannot see your facial expression, but your hand movement and leg movement has to be so much stronger? That is called dancing as a group. Everything has to be synchronized, everything has to be stronger. Because your mask covers your face already. So the other parts of the body has to be better. Okay? You guys are good dancers, honestly speaking. So, like what Catherine says is correct. Try not to 我知道你要 impress 我们，但是 not necessarily 改到完 routine and impress。如果你把你的 I like your Tuesday routine and your dance， but 如果你把它做好 ，that's much better compared to trying new stuff. Okay, but very good. You are one of the most creative team among 这样的我看到你们是最 creative 的 ，so very good at that. Congratulations, but remember what we say, okay? So if you go for outside competition, these are all the important points that you need to tackle. Okay? Good job.
Okay. Thank you, judges.